Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Hello guys, so today I am doing the unboxing of mobile tripod. So please enjoy this video. Thank you so much. The mobile tripod that I got from Amazon, and the name of the company is Amazon Basics, which I got for piece 900. And I must say that the build quality is pretty awesome and pretty stable as well. And in general, the height of this tripod is 16.5 inch, which is extendable up to 50 inches. So if you guys want to buy this tripod, I will give the link in the description below, so kindly do check it out. Thank you so much for watching.